Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm not an expert. This is my flea market finds video for February 18th. This is actually from last week. I was out of town and I found this. Oh, wait, this was from yesterday. Found this at a garage sale. I don't know what it is. It's a big syringe. You can, use it. I assume it's, from the looks of it, I'm guessing it's for automotive purposes, for drawing oil out of maybe a differential or something like that. It's pretty old. But it's kind of neat, so I picked it up. $5. Last week, I was out and I was out of town, so I picked up this bit brace because it had a very different end on it. I hadn't seen it before. Since then, I've spent a lot of time on the internet. This one's a Pexto, trying to figure out what it is. And what it is it's missing a piece. There should be kind of a set of jaws that go in this slot, and it holds a auger bit. Now it'll actually work like this. It just won't keep it in, but you can pop it in there and you don't have to fiddle with it. It's not adjustable like that. Pretty neat. Kind of wish it was complete. Paid $5 for it. So it was that's actually a lot of money for a bit brace that is missing a part. But, you live and learn, and I was a long way from home. I wasn't going to be able to go back and get it. A lot of gasoline involved. And I picked up some hand saws, but I don't have those out. Nothing special. Pretty average stuff. It's something I might fix up in case a friend needs one. So since we're at this, we'll do a little follow-up on... I'm missing a saw. Well, here's one of the saws that I had in the last video. And I have soaked the blade in Evapo Rust. Made that nice. And then the handle is just the way it was, except I polished the brass off a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. That's kind of what I'm going with. You can compare it patina-wise. This is an old Jackson that I have, and you can see a little difference. This one's clean enough. I'm not going to clean it up. This was pretty cruddy, so you can see the pitting. It has a little pitting on it, but it still works. So I Evapo Rusted it, and then I just I put Johnson's paste wax on it to kind of keep it from flash rusting again. I don't think that was a big concern. The other one of my older finds, you may remember this plane that I got from a friend of mine. Was very rusty, so I de-rustified it with Evapo Rust, and then I sanded it a little bit. I still got to work on the handles, get the old varnish off the handles, or the old lacquer. Get those cleaned up. I found a chip breaker for it. It's not a perfect fit, but it'll make it work. And, that's coming along. And it does cut when I put it all together, but I'll tell you, it is clearly not as good as a real Stanley. There's just something about it. It's not quite as nice. But it'll be kind of fun when it's fixed up anyway. Just, it was free. Why not? All right, that's all I got for you this week. We'll catch you later.